Monday morning, March 3rd. Blessed to have a lot of work, continuous work. This is our 15th year, no, going on our 16th year. We started in 2010. This is going on our 15th year, man. We are really doing great things, making people happy, making things level again. We do it every day. Minimum 5 days a week. We work a lot of Saturdays, but here lately we've taken it off, Saturdays off due to the weather. It's so cold. These guys need to thaw out, spend times with their families. Yeah, I got my car warmed up. We're gonna go to Lawrence, and then the other half's gonna go to Kansas City North. For all your foundation repair needs, I'd be honored to look at anything you have that needs leveled. Footing, sinking, raisement, if the wall's leaning in, we can help you in all directions when it comes to foundation repair. Here's the number you want to call right there. If you call the 288 number, it rings to this, kingpiers.com. Great group of guys here.